Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you.
Hi everyone, it's your girl Tiera.amber. If you're new here, hey girl, hey, and if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another bomb wig install. This wig install actually is not sponsored. I bought this wig with my own money, and yeah, I just wanted to let you know what's tea about this wig. So my birthday is actually coming up in a day. My birthday's on Thursday the 12th, and I am trying to get all my moving parts put together. I decided to do a photo shoot for my 25th birthday, and of course I had to order some hair. So originally I ordered some hair from a certain company. I'm not gonna say names, but basically I ordered this wig on the 27th and it's the 10th currently, and that wig still is not here. My shoot is on the 12th, and so I had to think fast. I had to do some research and figure out where I can find a good quality wig on TikTok and YouTube and all the things. I landed on Keshun hair. They're 13x5 deep wave 200% density wig. On TikTok there's so many different reviews about this wig and how good it is and how affordable it is, so I decided to bite the bullet, and I can say that I am pleasantly surprised. First of all, this wig came in what, 2 days. I wish I would have ordered this wig from the jump instead of the other one. I kid you not, as soon as that wig gets here, it's being returned. Okay, that wig was a 20-inch deep wave 200 density, and I paid more than double the price that I paid for this wig. So yes, best believe it is getting returned. This is Keshun's hair. Believe it or not, I only paid $140 for this wig. Definitely what I needed for such a short notice turnaround, and I'm so glad it worked out. As you can see, the lace is really good. I did my fluffy edges. This did say it's HD lace. I don't think it's 100% HD. I think it's more transparent, if anything. I have no complaints. I want to wear my hair like this, big and wand curl, for my photo shoot. So that's why I didn't wet it and put product and stuff on it. I'm wearing it with these wand curls. I'm just gonna put it up in a pineapple, see how it holds overnight. But yes, so far so good. The install was super easy. This wig gave me no problems. I really recommend this wig. I will have this linked in my Amazon storefront, and any other information that you might need or want about this wig will be in my description box down below. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. This love affair began. But if you feel more like I feel, confusion can give way to doubt.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was so fun filming again. I missed filming and being in front of the camera and just, you know, doing my thing. I promise I will not be gone for that long again. But yeah, this is the hair. This is the finished product. I think it turned out so good. Really nothing more that I can say. If you have any questions, drop them down below and I'll be sure to get to you. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you again in my next one. Mwah.
Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock